Good morning all. In today's video of marketing, I am going to discuss next topic of Unit 1 in Session 1, that is customer satisfaction. Before it, I have discussed many topics of this session and the last topic was customer value. So here is the new topic, customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction means the aim, final aim or goal of management in every management in marketing. Customer satisfaction simply means how we can make our customer satisfied by providing good products and services. So as we know, every customer purchases product from a shop and wants to get maximum profit from that product. So customer satisfaction is the way in which we can satisfy our customers by offering good quality products and services to them. So just remember one thing, customer satisfaction is the one and finally main goal of every marketing activity. So marketing is all about customer. Nowadays customer is treated as the god, or we can say customer is the king of marketing. If our customer is satisfied, then only we can survive for long time in market. If customer is dissatisfied with our product and services, then we cannot survive in market for a long time and we can get loss, so we can have to close our business. So customer satisfaction is the first and last aim or objective, or we can say goal of every marketing. So here is the definition of customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the measure of success of an organization. It means we can check success of organization if we are providing customer satisfaction. A customer is said to be satisfied if their expectations match with the actual performance of the product. Yes, it means we can say we have provided customer satisfaction if we are fulfilling customer expectations with the actual performance of our product. Or we can say customer satisfaction is the match between customer expectations of the product and product's actual performance. This is the definition to learn what is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the match between customer expectations of product and product's actual performance. Customer satisfaction differs from one person to another. It is an experience which is different for different individuals. A proper evaluation of product or service can only be done by experiencing it. So customer satisfaction is a post-purchase phenomena. Yes, this is very important to note down. Customer satisfaction can be achieved after purchasing or after selling of goods to customer. Means customer satisfaction is a post means baad mein, later on purchase phenomena. Satisfaction can only be measured by comparing purchase expectation will be before purchasing and experience will be post purchasing. So we can measure satisfaction can only be measured by comparing pre-purchase expectation and post-purchase experience. The equation used to determine the level of customer satisfaction is, just remember this formula, customer satisfaction is equal to experience minus expectation. Means always experience must be equal to expectation, or at least if we can do, experience must be better than expectation, then only customer satisfaction can be done. Okay, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए expectations are more but experience is better and customer will be dissatisfied. For customer satisfaction, experience and expectation must be equal, or we can provide good expectation than customer expectation. In both the cases, customer expectation will be high. So just remember a formula, customer equation, or we can say it is an equation, customer satisfaction is equal to experience minus expectation. So customer satisfaction is only obtained once the customer has experienced a product or service. It is always a post-purchase phenomenon, which is quite emotional in nature. Okay, customer satisfaction is always post-purchase phenomenon, means बाद में पता लगेगा. Okay, it is the difference. We can also write customer satisfaction is the difference between customer experience and customer expectation. Also we can note down equation, customer satisfaction is equal to experience minus expectation. So today I have discussed customer satisfaction. It's an important topic and it is the finally main aim of marketing activity. So just remember this topic, it is very important. Next I will discuss in other videos. Thank you for listening.